Welcome to RenwilEducate channel. Once again, this is Renwil here. In this video, I am going to explain what is index function and how we will use index function directly as index function and along with the match function. So, before moving to this video, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel RenwilEducate, like my videos, share my videos with your friends so that let us together gain Excel knowledge and share with each other. Friends, before moving to this video to explain with an example, I want to clarify what is index function. The index function is categorized under Excel lookup and reference functions. We know how to use VLOOKUP function. One of the disadvantage of VLOOKUP is I cannot look up the value from the current cell to previous column. I can look only the right side columns and not the left side. That is the one drawback of lookup function. But this is not the same in index function. The index function will return the value at a given position in a range or array. The index function is most openly used along with the match function. We can say it an alternative way to look up the value, or it is an alternative function for an VLOOKUP function. As a financial analyst or data analyst, you can use this function in other forms of analysis besides looking up a value in a list or a table. So, you briefly come to know what is index function. Now, let us see how to use this index function with an example. Now, let me explain this index function with an example. I have an example in front of me. So let me write this function equal index. Okay, I want to find out the category for Catherine. So simply I will select as array where category. I want to index array in category, comma, which row number I want to find out. So where is Catherine? Where is Catherine? Catherine is in customer name, but for Catherine I want to find out the category. So the row number is 4, comma, and you can close because whatever within square bracket is coming, it's an optional. No need to write the parameters for that. So you can straight away close this function and enter. See, now Catherine is here. So the category for this Catherine is technology. So with this index function, you can get the value for category. Now, this is just to write a simple index function. As I said, index function can be used along with the match function. Now, before I write this index function with the match function, let me write First match function, how it is working. Equal match. Okay, what I want to look up, I want to look up Catherine, and where I want to look up in the customer name, because Catherine is in customer name, comma. Now there is still three options, either you can less than, exact match, or greater than option. So I want exactly match. So make it 0 and close this function. So see number 4. What the number 4 indicates? So Catherine is there, that value is there in customer name in the fourth row. So this is how you will use the match function. Now I want to combine the index function with the match function. Okay, so I want to use it together. So how I will write? Equal index. Okay, what I want to index? Category. Okay, comma. Okay, now row number, which one? Catherine I want to find out. So I will write here match function equal match. What I want to look up? Catherine, comma, where I want to look up? In customer name. What should be? It should be exactly match as a 0, close. Okay, so you got exactly value for Catherine. That is technology. Okay, so in this way you can use your index function with the match function. Now I have given here this customer name in the list, in the drop down list. So I'll change. See, Jim also is technology. I want to change it to Rick. Maybe I can say Rick and Sensei Office Supplies. So likewise you can use the index function. Okay, friends, let me explain in a more deeper way. This is the simple way to find out index function. Okay, now the next is I have office supplies rate. I know I want to find out even sales. So to find out sales, I want to use together this function index. Okay, index, where I want to find out the sales in this area, comma, where I what I want to look up, this one. So match function I will use to look up this value, comma, where I want to look up in the customer name, comma, it should be exactly match, close bracket 2 times and enter. See, for Rick, category is office supplies and the sales is where? What is the sales value? See, 2832.96. So when I change to other customer name, immediately value is changing here. So you can write even profit here. Okay, you can write even profit as index function for this. So simply what you will do here, write the index function equal, okay, and what you want to index, profit you want to index, comma, then what you want to find out, you want to find out for Jim. Okay, so for that you want to find out Jim profit, so you have to look up Jim, comma, where you want to look up customer name, comma, exactly should be match, Jim customer name should be exactly match and enter. See, exactly, now where is your value? Is Jim is here, the category, customer name, sales and the profit. This is how you will find out the value. Okay, so this is one way I explained. This is same in the index function only in the row number I explained. There is one more way to explain in a column number. See, index function is works for both row number as well as column number. Now, how to use the column number? Okay, I will just remove the profit here, which I will explain here in the column number as well. Now, see, to do that, what I will do is I will write equal index. Okay, what I want to index, what sales. Now my question not only just an sales, that is row, so I want to index as row plus column, so row number plus column number. So my array should be sales plus profit. So I need to select both the columns, comma match function. Okay, then what I want to look up, Jim, comma where in customer name, comma it should be 0, exactly match, close, comma then match function. Okay, why it is second time? I want to look up not just the sales, I want to look up the profit also. I want to index the profit also. So to do that, what I want to look up is here. So G5, I have to write G5 because their sales as well as profit. Either when I select sales, I want sales figures. When I want to select profit figures, then I want to get profit numbers. So G5 here, I'll just make this way. See, this is G5. Okay, again I'll write to simplify, index equal what I want to index, these two, comma match function. Okay, what I want to match, this one, where I want to look up this match here in the customer name, comma it should be exactly match, close, comma match function. So I want to match it in both sales as well as profit. So these two I will select. So before that, what I want to match, G5. When my G5 cell can be sales or can be profit. So where I want to match here, sales as well as profit, comma it should be exactly match, and you can close your bracket. See, now Jim, categories technology. Okay, sales is 2862. Where is this customer? This customer is here. Okay, now I want to select the profit. See, when I select the profit, it automatically gives me the profit value. So this is one way to find out the profit as well as sales, and how we can use this index function along with the row number as well as column number. Okay, so this is how you will use the index function. So one more example I want to give you here. Suppose I want to find out customer name, those who have sales 5,000. Okay, now to do that, equal index. Okay, what I want to index, sales figure, comma match. Sorry, I want to find out customer name, index. Okay, I want to get customer name. What I want to look up is match 5,000, comma where in the sales, comma 0 should be exactly match. Okay, now it is giving error. So here, to make it easy, whenever this symbol n bar a is coming, means this value is not there. So instead of showing like this, you just want answer as not found. So this customer with this sales not found. So how we can write if error? So there is an option called if error, and the same formula you can continue, comma, within inverted comma, not found, and close the bracket, inverted comma, close the inverted comma, close the bracket, and enter. See, the value is not found. So now I want to give exact figure. Here 5000 sales is not there, so I will copy and paste with the same figure here. See immediately customer name, you will get it. Okay, customer name with this is Jane. Okay, so I will change one fields here. Instead of 96, I will make 95. Immediately value is not found. So this is one more way to test this index function. And the last one is, I want to use this index function is to calculate the commission. Okay, now I will use index function. Okay, what I want to index, category, comma, match what I want to match. Okay, what I want to match, what I want to look up is this one. Okay, this is the lookup value, comma, sorry, okay. Friends, let us calculate the commission. How to write the formula index. Okay, what I want to index, that is the commission. Okay, I will make this as absolute, select and make F4. Okay, comma, then match function, what to match, the category. Okay, comma, where to look up this value, here category, and I will make as absolute this one again, and comma 0, close the bracket. Okay, so you will get for category 2% commission. You can drag down, you will get each. See, for example, office supplies is 4%, furniture is 3%. So similar way you can calculate the commission for each category. Friends, I have explained this index function with example in detail. If you like this video, kindly press like button, write a nice comment about this video and share this video to your friends so that they too can gain Excel knowledge. Recently, I have uploaded many videos related to Excel, VLOOKUP, pivot table, sum if as function, count if as function, shortcut keys, and 35 Excel functions. Please watch these videos as well, and please share this video with your friends. Thank you friends once again for watching this video.